things work, even interacting person to person. When you want something in the world, in the universe, if you push on it too hard, it goes away from you.
Yeah.
If you don't, and you just work for it and you put in that actual work that warrants it, it comes to you easier and when you least expect it.
Right.
It's corny. It's kind of rah-rah, but it's the truth.
Yeah, no, it's true.
Just the truth. And trading is the same thing. If you force your trades, bro, they run away from you. And if anything, while they're running away from you, they're kicking you in the face or in the nuts.
Exactly.
And when you don't force them, like I just said, where I kind of can go off and then I wake up at 6, there's nothing I like. I'll come back at 7, see if there's anything. Dude, the trades just come. Like I've had great, again, things have been great since I left the company with New York. Things have been great just as far as my trading because it's better here.
Right.
When it's better here, it translates better into there. You know what I'm saying? And that comes, again, not forcing it. If me and Riley stay out late on one night or we're up late working, whatever it is, I'm not going to force it the next day.
Right.
Am I going to? And that's
anything is
hard.
Off. Yeah.
Dude, exactly. And that's hard because as a new trader, you're like, bro, I'm going to go out drinking and I'm going to still come up and be up in the morning and do it. It's like, no, you're not.
Yeah.
Like especially as a new trader, you're not. You got to not force it. And people are, dude, trying to get people to understand that you have no trade days is like one of the hardest things in the world, isn't it? Like,
no, it is.
Why does everyone think you need to have great trades every day?
Yeah.
I had one great trade last week. So last week was NFP, non-farm payroll, right?
Yep.
You know all about it. So I traded on Monday and Tuesday. I had a great trade on GBP NZD, almost about 2% winner. I ended up losing on Tuesday, Euro CAD, less than 0.5%, very small. Why? One, I know NFP is a really tough week for my system and the way that I trade. But again, look at that week. 5 days, I took 2 trades and I still ended the week up over a full %. So It's like, I didn't have to do too much and I can still make great returns, great trades. You know what I'm saying? And it's like this reverse level of thinking that you can't reach until you're level 1, level 2, level 3. I think that there's levels to trading.
Yeah.
Just to give you one more thought to think on this, and I want to actually hear your opinion on this. I've been talking to people about this more. There's like 3 or 4 levels of trading. And level 1 is where you're kind of strategy bouncing, like can't get it going, right? Like you just can't make consistent money. Level 2 is like you kind of found some money and like you found some systems that might be good for you. You kind of understand what the macro events are. You're starting to understand, but still it's more losses than wins, but you feel a little bit better because you're not blowing accounts. You're not over leveraging. You're not doing stupid shit. Level 3 to me would be like, I'm consistently using one strategy, consistently executing. Now I'm still kind of fudging this strategy up, but I know mentally like this is where I need to be. And then I think like level 4 is where you're at that conscious, competent level where you're like, I can do this basically now without even thinking because I know what I'm looking for and I know what I'm looking for because I've lost enough.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Those would be my levels of which you have to push through.